Unfortunately for dogs in Arizona, nearly all are exposed to the fungus that causes valley fever. The good news is about 70% of dogs successfully fight the infection with their immune systems, but about a third will develop valley fever and require medication.
Valley fever in our area is incredibly prevalent.
Dr. Randy Aronson is an integrative veterinarian in Tucson. He says signs of valley fever in our pets include a dry cough or choking, lack of appetite, and being tired. These signs typically develop a few weeks after infection.
Sometimes the disease will go quiet and owners won't see those or aren't picking those up, and then it has the ability to get into the body and go just about anywhere. We've had it in the brain, we've had it in heart, we've had it in kidney, very common in bone.
I noticed it on a Saturday morning. He did early morning, one cough, which was abnormal. And then the next day I heard it again. He would not eat kibble, but he only wanted wet food. And the wetter the better, because I had to add a little water to it.
Michelle Robnett didn't take any chances with her dog Rascal, a 12-year-old Bichon mix. Robnett works at Paws Veterinary Center and brought Rascal in.
They checked him at first, not sure if it would be kennel cough or not, but they checked him for valley fever, and it was definitely valley fever.
Dr. Aronson says valley fever doesn't have to be a death sentence or a lifetime of medication. If diagnosed early, most dogs like Rascal will have a 6 to 12-month recovery.
Probably was on the medication for 11 months, and then everything was gone. No more valley fever.
Dr. Aronson is also treating a number of cats with valley fever.
They're exposed to a lot of the same spores through open windows, even screened windows, HVAC units or evaporative coolant units. So they get the same type of exposure, and people aren't aware of it, but we've seen enough of it that we're pretty much on tune for looking for it.
Scientists at the University of Arizona are working on a vaccine to prevent valley fever in dogs and are hopeful to do the same for people. Until it's cleared for use, is there anything pet owners can do to limit exposure?
People always ask that question, and the answer is a dog and a cat need to be a dog and a cat. And so it's very difficult, like, to tell somebody, don't let your dog dig outside, don't let your cat go near an open window. So as long as they're feeding really high quality food, helping them with supplementation, that gives their immune system the best chance that they're going to fight this.
Valley fever can have a severe effect on a pet's quality of life and can be costly to treat. That's why veterinarians say testing and early diagnosis is key. A test is about $100. I'm Rebecca Taylor, 13 News.